Whether it is satisfied or not, linear property.
Satisfies.
Okay. So linearity is over. Coming to the second property. Second property is a time shifting property. Same here also, let x of t is a one continuous time signal and it is also a periodic signal. The Fourier series of x of t is nothing but an. What is meant by time shifting in x of t? Already we discussed in the unit 1. The time shifting of the x of t. T is the normal time. The shift in time t is represented as a t minus t. Okay, now t is shifted into t minus t. Okay, now so minus t, we are shifting the signal t. Okay, now next the Fourier series of the time shifted signal. Okay, now x of t minus t naught is e power minus j n omega naught t into t naught. Okay, e power minus j n omega naught t naught into a n. Next to see the proof. First, Fourier series of x of t minus t naught. Value is 1 by t integral t x of t minus t naught e power minus j n omega naught t dt. 1 by t integral t x of t minus t naught e power minus j n omega naught t dt. Here let tau, okay, tau as a t minus t naught. Okay, tau equal t minus t naught. From this t value, what is the t value? Okay, now first we are taken tau, okay, na, as a t minus t naught. Okay, now from this value, t value is tau plus t naught. Okay, now next integrate the above this value both side with respect to dt. Then value become as a dt equal deta. Why? Because with respect to t, t naught is the constant. Okay, now d2 equal dt equal deta. Okay, so first we are taken tau as a t minus t naught. Next from this value we can derive, we can get the t value, t equal t plus t naught. Next to differentiate on both sides, we can get the dt as a deta. Why? Because t naught is the constant with respect to tau. Okay, now that's where constant value is z. Derivation of constant value is differentiation of constant is 0. Okay, dt equal deta. Next to substitute the these three values into above equation. Fourier series of x of t minus t naught t equal 1 by t integral t x of tau into e power minus j n omega naught t. Okay, now instead of t, substitute the tau plus t naught into d tau. 1 by t integral t x of t into e power minus j n omega naught t tau plus t naught into d tau. Next, 1 by t integral t x of tau, separate the term e power minus j n omega naught tau, one term will come, into e power minus j n omega naught t naught will come. Minus into tau, minus into t naught t naught. Okay, now next, here with respect to tau, this value is constant or not? Here with respect to tau, this value is constant or not? Please verify this. Okay, now. Okay, now. Here with respect to tau, this value is a constant. That's why I'm taking separate. e power minus j n omega naught t naught into 1 by t integral t x of tau e power minus j n omega naught tau d tau. Okay. Observe this value. This value, it is in the form of which one, Amma? E power minus j n omega naught t naught into this value equals to which one, Amma?
Cn.
Okay. Now. Here instead of Cn, I am writing An. Okay. Now the constant. Okay. It equals to the coefficient. Cn. Okay. Now already trigonometric used An, Bn. That's why the coefficient of exponential taken as a Cn. Okay. Now. So here that is user wish. You may take it as a either Cn or An or Bn. But here we are not specifying anything. Okay. Now. This is the time shifting property. Is it clear? The Fourier series of x of t minus t naught equal e power minus j n omega naught t naught into a n. Okay. It satisfied the time shifting property also. Okay. Next, the third property. If anyone having doubts on this time shifting property, please ask me. If anyone having doubts, please ask me. CR, are you there? Mr. Venkatesh. Venkatesh,
Sir,
send me the absentees, okay now? Only absentees.
okay, sir.
Is it clear? Topic is clear or not? Time shifting property. You have any doubts on time shifting property? Are you understood or not? Ella?
Sir,
Venkatesh,
425 ప్రతాప్ ఎవరో మన సెక్షన్ కాదు సార్.
425. Why he joined in this class? Can I remove him? Okay, remove. Next, Inka. Zero. Okay, now differentiation of any constant value is zero. dt equals dt. Next, substitute these two values into above equation. Fourier series of x of t minus t naught equal 1 by t integral t. Instead of t minus t naught, substitute the tau value. Okay, now x of tau into e power minus j n omega naught t. Here instead of t, substitute the t tau plus t naught value. Tau plus t naught into d tau. Okay, now instead of dt, substitute the d tau value. Next, in 1 by t integral t, okay, now x of tau into e power minus j n omega naught tau minus j n omega naught t naught. Okay, now multiply the j n omega naught with tau and t naught. Okay, now after multiplication, value is this one. Next, we know the value of e power minus a minus b. It written as a e power minus a into e power minus b. Okay, now e power minus a minus b value also written as a e power minus a into e power minus b. Okay, now here also this value written as a e power minus jn omega naught tau into e power minus jn omega naught t naught into d tau. With respect to d tau, here e power minus jn omega naught t naught value is a constant value. Next, I am separating or I am taking common this constant value e power minus j n omega naught t naught into 1 by t integral t x of tau into e power minus j n omega naught tau into d tau. Already we know this value. Okay, this value is a. Okay. Fourier series of x of t minus t naught equal e power minus j n omega naught t naught into a naught. Okay. It is the time shifting property. Okay, here a naught is nothing but Fourier series of x of t that equal 1 by t integral t x of t into e power minus j n omega naught t into dt. Is it clear? Next, see the third property, time reversal. Same, first let x of t is a one continuous time signal and it is a periodic signal. Here t is the time. What is the reversal? Time reversal of this signal. Amma? So time shifter ante we have written x of t minus t. Okay, written as a x of t minus t. Next, what is meant by time reversal? Amma? T is the normal time. What is the reversal of this time? This t. What is the reversal of t minus t? Okay, now. Already we know the Fourier series of x of t is nothing but an. 1 second. Okay, ma. Say here the Fourier series of x of t is an. In the same way, the Fourier series of x of minus t value equals a minus n. A minus n. Next, see the proof. The Fourier series of x of minus t is 1 by t integral t x of minus t x of minus t into e power minus j n omega naught t dt. Here let minus t naught as a minus t naught minus t naught. Let t naught equal minus t. Next, the derivation, okay, now a differentiation of t naught, t naught equals dt. Next, the Fourier series of x of minus t equal 1 by t integral t. Here, if t not equal minus t means the limits also will be changes. Here t is the overall limit. The overall limit also will become as a minus t. Okay, now take 1 by t integral minus t x of t naught e power minus j n omega naught minus t naught. Okay, now if minus t equal t naught, in the same way t value will become as a minus t naught. Okay, now here t naught taken as a minus t.